In the 27th century, the Galactic Confederation teetered on the edge of collapse. For centuries, interstellar wars have been dominated by advanced AI strategists and highly efficient drone fleets. The massive conflicts between species often boiled down to cold calculations made by emotionless machines. However, everything changed when humanity joined the interstellar stage, bringing with them a weapon no AI could match: human ingenuity. The arrival of humanity. When Earth was invited to the Confederation, its people were seen as a primitive species. They were technologically behind and heavily reliant on their organic minds rather than artificial intelligence. Galactic analysts dismissed humans as insignificant players in the vast theater of war. But their underestimation of human creativity proved to be a fatal mistake. Humanity's first trial came during the Threxian Uprising, a conflict that had the Confederation scrambling to suppress the militaristic Threxian Empire. The Threxians boasted an impenetrable fleet controlled by neural AIs, capable of adapting to any predictable tactic. Confederation forces had faced devastating losses, unable to outmaneuver the AI-controlled fleets. The Trojan Dust Maneuver. Enter Captain Elena Marquez, a maverick human tactician assigned to the Confederation's failing forces. Marquez proposed a plan that baffled the higher-ups, a diversionary tactic inspired by Earth's ancient Trojan horse strategy. Using a decommissioned fleet, she filled the ships with nothing but explosive-laden debris disguised as valuable cargo. When the Threxians predictably boarded the seemingly abandoned vessels, the debris was detonated, obliterating their boarding parties and destabilizing their supply lines. The Confederation fleets launched an ambush immediately afterward, crippling the Threxian armada in a single, unexpected strike. Galactic historians would later dub this maneuver the Trojan Dust, marking the first major victory achieved through human tactical thinking. Chaos theory warfare. Humanity's contribution wasn't just limited to cunning tricks. They introduced a concept utterly alien to AI-controlled warfare: the deliberate use of unpredictability. AI fleets operated on mathematical precision and probabilistic outcomes, always assuming opposing forces would seek optimal solutions. Humans, however, thrived on chaos. One pivotal battle occurred near the gas giant Zorith Prime. Confederation forces, under human command, deployed erratic formations, randomizing movements and weapon discharges. Human pilots improvised during combat, exploiting weaknesses no AI could anticipate. The Threxian fleet faltered, their predictive algorithms overwhelmed by the sheer disorder. This new style of combat became known as chaos theory warfare, and it reshaped the Confederation's military doctrine. The psychology of victory. Beyond battlefield maneuvers, humans introduced psychological warfare. They understood the importance of morale, deception, and fear. Concepts irrelevant to AI, but crucial in wars involving organic beings. Human diplomats, for instance, orchestrated a campaign of misinformation against the Threxian leadership, convincing them that a massive rebellion was brewing within their empire. Paranoia spread like wildfire, causing internal strife and weakening the Threxian resolve. By the time the Confederation launched its final offensive, the Threxians were already crumbling from within. A legacy of innovation. By the end of the Threxian Uprising, humanity had solidified its reputation as the most innovative and unpredictable species in the galaxy. Their tactics didn't just save the Confederation, they redefined galactic warfare. In the centuries that followed, Every major power sought to emulate human creativity, blending it with their advanced technologies. AI fleets were programmed to incorporate randomization protocols, though none could match the raw ingenuity of human commanders. Humanity, once dismissed as insignificant, became the architects of a new era